We all get sick. It sucks. But how exactly do these viruses seemingly take over our lives?
Let's take a look at how viruses spread throughout the body. First of all, what is a virus? Virus particles are 17 to 300 nanometers long. A virion is made up of nucleic acid, which is a set of genetic instructions. This can be either DNA or RNA, and can also be single-stranded or double-stranded. A virion also has a coat of protein surrounding the DNA or RNA in order to protect it, and it also has a lipid membrane surrounding the protein coat. This lipid membrane is only found in some viruses, and these viruses are called enveloped viruses, as opposed to naked viruses.
Viruses don't contain the enzymes needed to carry out the chemical reactions for life, but human cells and bacteria do. This is where we come in. Through the nose, mouth, or breaks in the skin, viruses enter us and find their next target, a host cell. Here they start the lytic cycle.
A virus particle attaches to or enters the host cell and releases its genetic instructions into it. The genetic material then brings the host cell's enzymes to the bad side. The enzymes work hard, making parts for more virus villains. The parts are then assembled into new viruses. The newborn villains leave the host cell and go on to attack even more cells in the body. They can leave by breaking the host cell open, also known as lysis, or by budding. Meet Tom. Tom is having a great day, when all of a sudden, John sneezes. Poor John. But what about Tom? He breathes in a virus particle, and it attaches itself to a cell lining his sinuses. The virus can't take over the other cells alone, so it produces new virus particles. The host cell breaks, and new viruses spread into Tom's bloodstream and lungs. Because the virus broke the host cell while exiting it, fluid can flow into his nasal passages and give him a runny nose. The fluid drips down his throat and goes on to attack the cells there, giving him a sore throat. To make matters worse, the viruses in Tom's bloodstream can attack his muscle cells and cause muscle aches. His brave immune system responds to the infection and produces chemicals called pyrogens that cause his body temperature to go up.
The good thing is, the fever helps to fight the infection as it slows down the viral reproduction. This is because most of his body's chemical reactions have an optimal temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Once his body temperature exceeds this, the chemical reactions slow down, thus killing off the viruses. The fever goes on until the viruses have been eliminated from his body. However, once he sneezes, these viruses can go on to attack different hosts.